Hello, I'm in my curly hair, don't care bonnet, and I got my Santa Claus. I'm wearing my Santa Claus pajamas. Anyway, we're gonna do some of that stuff to my meat again because I liked it, Marnie. You're on to something there, so hold up. Let me turn you on. All right, so we got the same 8 ounces of 73% ground beef. And the salsa, which I think it had some chili powder in it, so I'm not going to add that. And I think it also had some cumin in it, so I'm not going to add that. But now I got a little bit of curry powder. I don't know what that tastes like, so let's put a little sprinkle of that in there. I mean, you can't go wrong with adding garlic, so I'm going to put a little garlic in there. And ginger. I know I like ginger, so I'm going to put a little sprinkle of ginger in there. Okay, that was a little bit bigger of a sprinkle. Got a little ground coriander. Bad thing about this is you sprinkle it and you can't really tell. There we go. Can't tell what's coming out. And I bought some smoked paprika. I know I've got the one in there, but I'm just putting it on. I know I like that. And then I got some ground turmeric. Sorry, dog's drinking in the background as usual. All right. And then some of the garam masala. All right. Put about that much in there. I don't know what it should have. Oh, I did feel like it needed a little bit of salt. So I'm going to put just a little bit of salt in there. And there you go. I'm packing it up for work tomorrow. We are just getting all kinds of fancy. So I got it in my lunchbox tomorrow. And hey, for the record, what I took, that right there, I had that for work today. I went to my friend's shop after work and we did not eat till 7. And I really did good until about 6:30. I started getting grouchy at 6:30 and I think I ate at 11. So that lasted me, that 8 ounces lasted me from 11 o'clock until 7 o'clock, 6:30. Then I started getting grumpy. But so 11 to 6:30 is how long that lasted me, which that's pretty cool to know. So anyway, so I got this and my coffee in there, and I'll be taking that to work tomorrow. I got to show you one more time. I got my bonnet. I sleep in this every night. I love these things. Here's my morning ritualistic weigh-in. That's down another ½ pound, but no celebrating, no celebrating. Anyway, yeah. So all I've done is added more fat. Still keeping the same calories, but I've added more fat. As you all seen, I've been using the 73%. So I don't know if that's what's going on. Yeah, so, okay. Okay, y'all, we're going to have a conversation about massive weight loss. I say massive, a large amount. I'm going to take this off. I have a tank top underneath. I'm going to talk to you about pants. So, I also have underwear on. When you lose a large amount of weight, you have your, the hangover fat, which is this right here. So, when all your weight, as you're losing weight, it droops down. Gravity pulls it down. So, what happens is your waist looks smaller, but then it's like you have a butt in the back and a butt in the front. So your pants and your thighs are the same way. So your thighs, all the skin droops down as well. So, but it's still thick. So anyway, so what your thighs and your lower belly will be one size of pants. So like these are 14, but your waistline, could go down. So I could, if it wasn't for the, for the extra, I forgot what they call that, pannus. That's what they call that droopy, hangy belly. So because of that, that's why I buy these belts. So, because otherwise I'm hiking my pants up all day. So with this is a belt, buckleless belt. And so it's nice when you have to go bathroom. You don't have to undo the belt buckle all the time. But you just feed it through. And this is Amazon. And I'm not saying you need this particular thing. I'm just saying this is what happens when you lose a large amount of weight. And so because of that, now I have a nice, the form-fitting waistline of my pants. So I just wanted you to know, because as you lose weight, you know, this, if you are large like I was, you're going to have this. And so, you know, like people are like, oh, I bet you're a size 8 by now. I'm like, no. So because, you know, this, and so of course, you know, I always wear a shirt over it. So anyway, but yeah, you're going to have that. And you're going to have this. You're going to have all this. And there's nothing you can do about it unless you know, are rich. And I'm not rich. So, you know, my arm could look like that. But it doesn't. It looks like that. So anyway, yeah. So these buckleless belts, they really help because, you know, because this hangy downy this skin issue right there. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. So, okay, now depends on whatever else I decide to tell you between now and when I eat. Hello, it is lunchtime and I'm hungry. I made this up last night. You saw me. It's the 8 ounces of the 73% ground beef. And don't forget, I have also, so while it's 7 ounces of the strained meat and then 1 ounce of the rendered fat that was in my crock pot. So, trying to show you how it looks. Hang on. Hold up. Let me just do it this way. I don't know if you could see that or not. Hang on. Okay, and there, you could see that rendered fat in there, but it's all liquidy. Anyway, yeah, so it's all juicy. But so I put the seasonings on it last night, so let's see how it tastes. I'm enjoying these seasonings. Marnie, you got something there, sister. They're good flavors. So yeah, this is gonna be my lunch. And it is 10:48. So, alright, guys, have a good whatever till the next time I see you. The dogs. We're out on a walk. It's really nice out here. So we're taking a little stroll after work. I'm back home and I'm back in my pajamas. But I did not wear my pajamas on the walk. Supper tonight. Hang on, I'm going to put my tea in here now. I didn't have any last night, but I slept good. Tonight is 2 1/4 hamburgers and some jicama. I'm going to put a little seasoning on the burgers. Let's see how we're going to do this. Hold on. Hold on, fellas. Hold on. There we go, little choppy chop and a choppy chop. And a chop. And a chop, chop, chop. Well, it was a good walk. I walked the path that we usually take, and it's a little over a mile. And everybody did good. They didn't see any squirrels or anything, so nobody pulled me down. Yeah. Let's see. What is this one? This one is adobo. Let's put a little adobo in here. And this looks like it is, Greek seasoning. Yeah, we need a little of that in our lives right now. All right, so that's what we're having. 2 1/4 burgers and jicama. That is my supper tonight. I probably should have a little something extra. Oh, a little something extra along with it after the walk, but I think that's just what I'm gonna have. And yeah, I'll be good with that. So, all right, there's supper tonight. Who am I lying to? You know I got to have it. I got to have it. If I can get it open. Come on now. Come on, feller. Hold up. Come on. Let me just pause you while I work on this. Okay, now I got her. I was stronger than the jar. So this is 125 grams of marinara, which is a half cup. And then we'll do 2 tablespoons of the Rayo's Alfredo. All right. And then I'm going to nuke it. And that's what I'm going to have for supper. Yeah, I'm afraid I'll get hungry too soon. So, all right, now we're done. Have a good night, y'all. Totally random, but you know what? You know what sounds good to put in my tomato bisque? Bacon bits. I don't know. It's just what popped in my head. So I'm going to put 1 serving, which is 7 grams. I mean, come on now. Bacon goes with almost anything. There we go. So that's what I'm going to do. I got bacon bits in my tomato soup. It's like a tomato, bacon, something or another. Anyway, yeah. So, all right. Now we're good. All right. Now, officially, I think we're done. There's my macros and my calories and everything for the day. Have a good night, you guys.